Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable one-click trading on the Mitrade crypto trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mitrade application on your device, and after you are logged in, you will be taken into your homepage. From here, just click on the hub icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on settings. Now within the settings option, you will see various different settings, including the trade settings option. Go ahead and tap on it. And here you will now see the one-click trading option. Just tap on the toggle and it will then be enabled. You will also be given a warning, so make sure to go through this carefully. Once you have understood the warning, you can tap on the enable button to proceed forward. After this, the one-click trading will be enabled within your account. Now you can start trading with your one-click method right away. And anytime you wish to change this, go back to the hub option and then from the settings, go into trade settings and turn the toggle off. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable one-click trading on the Mitrade crypto trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.